Hello, beautiful people. Welcome once again to the Niceroy 101 channel. I am Bernice from Niceroy.com and niceroyonline.etsy.com. If you are new here, kindly consider subscribing because there are a lot of good things on the way coming. All right, we are doing yet another Dollar Tree project today for less than $2. Okay, so this drying mat today is the size is 11 by 17 inches or 28 centimeters by 43 centimeters. We are making a cute fabric storage bin, a cute one, you know. All right, so let's get started. Yeah. Okay, so here is our beautiful this drying mat. This is so fast and easy. Okay, so what we are going to do now is to put right side to right side and stitch on this end, on the shorter ends. We are putting the two shorter ends together. And we are going to stitch from the top to bottom. So we are stitching. Okay. Yeah, so now I want to match both ends together, so I will pin here and pin here. What I'm going to do, I'm going to bring it together like this and I'm going to stitch. Okay, so now I can pin here and this one too comes here. Now I'm stitching only one end, so forget that I put the other one together. Let me remove it so that you wouldn't get confused. I'm stitching only one end. Okay, so we have the top opening like this. All right, we are going to create the bust corners so that they can sit flat on the table. So I'm doing 1.5 squares here. Okay, so 1.5 square. As I said in the other video, you take the 1.5 from the stitch line so that it will be equal to the other side. So yeah, okay, so we cut it up. So in order not to have any raw edges, we are first going to stitch it from the inside, the right side, before we come to the wrong side. So you put it together. See, it's lining up very well. Stitch as close to the end as much as possible. And you stick the other side too. Uh-oh. If you have any excess, please trim it before you stitch it on the other side, so that it wouldn't come inside the stitch line. So we turn it to the wrong side. Then you make sure the corners are out. Then you stitch again. So now there is no raw edges. All the edges are very clean. So we turn it inside out. Like this. So now we know it can sit. Then you can fold. Isn't this cute? Yeah, this always gets me excited once it comes out so well. So you determine how far down you like this to go. So this is it. We finished with our cute storage bin. So your scissors and all your rotary cutters can fit in perfectly. Yeah. My remote control, everything. So it's cute. Yeah. So you can use it to store a whole lot of things. And it's thick, already padded, and is beautiful. I hope you enjoy this. If this video went well with you, please give me some thumbs up. Share with somebody who wants to see, and also subscribe if you are a new person here. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll be coming your way with more projects like this. Thank you.